Hello YouTube, this is your girl Alexandra Monet and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning viewer, hey. So in this video, I am going to go ahead and show you all this product that has hit the shelf and it's new to my knowledge. It's called Flawless by Gabrielle Unions. And if you're not familiar with her, she is of course, she's an actress. And, you know, she kind of jumped on the bandwagon of making natural hair products. Not too long ago, I did a review on Taraji P. Henson's natural hair products. I did the shampoo and conditioner. And, you know, it was kind of hit or miss. Make sure you check that link in the description box where I reviewed that product because there was some slight tips that I gave in that video to kind of make that product, you know, do what it was supposed to do. But anyway, back to this product here. I am going to be reviewing this on my natural hair. As you can see, this is what my natural hair looks like, and it's pretty much a natural state. I'm starting off coming off of a silk press, so I'm kind of transitioning my hair back into its coils. So for this product, I'm going to be doing a braid out. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's hop into this product. So like I said, this is the only one that I'm going to be reviewing. I think she has a shampoo, a conditioner, a moisturizer, but I'm not super into all of that stuff when it comes to product reviews. I just like to review the products that deal with braid outs and twist outs. So I want to start by saying, thus far, the product seems really thick. I know when I pick out products for my hair, I like my products to kind of have some weight to them. I don't like products that are kind of slippery, and that kind of, I think more so with that, the contributing factor to that is the shea butter that a lot of times hair products come in. So as you can see, this is the consistency of the product, which I like thus far, and it has a lavender scent, which is cool. It's a very strong scent. So if you're not really into hair products that carry a heavy smell, I don't know if this one would be the right one for you. It smells just like lavender. And if you don't like lilac smelling, this might not be the one. But this hair product says it's for type 2, 3, and 4 texture. Now, I will say my own personal opinion, when a product is gearing towards all the hair types, I typically don't really prefer that, because how can you have a hair product that's supposed to define your curls and it's gearing, if I'm a type 4 and it's gearing towards type 2, to me that's not you know, how is that really supposed to work? So the whole purpose of this video is to see how this product does on my type 4 natural hair. So it says that it is infused with shea butter, rice oil, and for a complex and healthy shine, and to hydrate and define your curls. So again, this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's a very thick product, which I really do like. The smell, I like it, but if you're not somebody who likes, you know, smelly hair products, it might not be for you. And thus far, the texture feels really soft and smooth. So I am getting ready to go on ahead and do a braid out, and we can see how my hair feels when I put the braids in and then doing the takedown. So let's get started. Okay, so let's hop into this tutorial. So for first of all, I definitely had a spray bottle. I always use a spray bottle when it comes to braid outs and twist outs. I don't ever put in any product in my hair, and I don't care what kind of product it is, without having a spray bottle, spraying my hair with water. It's just easier to work with. So again, this is what the product looks like. Like I said, it was really smooth on my hands. It smelled decent, very strong smell. But it was pretty easy, manageable within my hands. Now, when it came to applying it in my hair, it was really interesting because it was really, it was almost like it was sticking to my hair. Like, this product was very, very sticky. And when I say sticky, like, it was almost, it reminded me of like if you were to do a braid out or a twist out with a mousse. You know how mousses can be very sticky when you're using them and putting them on braids, or like a really holded style, like a roller set or a perm rod set or a flexi rod set you use, like a mousse. This really reminded me of a mousse in a jar, just the mousse in its cream form, like seriously. So mind you, if you do get this product and you're working it in your hair and you're like, I really don't know if I like the way this is feeling on my hair right now, which I did not at all. Like I was like, okay, this product is going to be a bust. I don't know what's going on with the way that this is gliding in my hair. I can't easily move my fingers through my hair as I'm putting in these braids. So that's kind of what I felt. So I really wasn't sure of what the results would yield. With that being said, I learned that I just had to end up using a lot of water. And as I was doing that, I realized when I started using more water, the product was able to get on my hair a little better. So that was what I learned. So if you do use this product, make sure you grab that spray bottle and you're spraying it, especially when you get to the ends of your hair. It might kind of start to get a little dry and you're pulling through your hair, and you just don't want to cause any damage, and it just doesn't feel too good. I don't know about you, but when I do my hair, I like for my hair to feel moisturized and hydrated. And when I put in my braids, they're all, juicy and puffy and shiny. Like this product, I felt like it wasn't giving that. So I did have to make sure that I was saturating my hair so my hair would adhere to this product better, if that makes sense. If you don't know, I have type 4 hair and I have very low porosity, so that could also be a contributing factor. It does take a minute for my hair to absorb products and water, and this product right here, I probably would say wasn't super low porosity hair friendly, but that can always be overcome with water. So of course, like I said, I went through and I just did simple braid out. As I braided my hair, I used water to spray my hair down, and then I went and I worked this product into the strands of my hair, kind of do a finger detangling, and then I braided all the way down. And once I got to the bottom, I started to twist the ends of my hair, and again, apply that water and maybe just a little extra product just so you can have some slip. So when the ends of our hair comes, when we're doing our curls, when we take them out, it'll be kind of curly at the ends. We'll have like a twist out effect. So this is what the results look like. And when I woke up in the morning, I didn't experience any shrinkage at all. Like all of my twists were the same. And I will say I was kind of excited because when I looked at my braids, when it was all said and done, they were very shiny. Like I was like, oh, okay, so this is really probably about to mold my hair. Like my curls are going to be very molded from these braids. And when I say molded, like your curls, when you do a braid out or a twist out, you'll see that whatever pattern, like so the braid pattern and the twist pattern, all you're really doing to achieve these curls is just kind of molding your natural hair. Same thing with the a rod set or a flexi rod set. It's really just kind of, you dampen your hair, you put the style in, your hair molds and it dries that way, you have beautiful curls. So this product, I will say, the second day I felt like it was way more promising, okay? Because my curls, as I was taking out the braids, I could really see that my hair was very defined. My curls were really defined as I was taking out these braids, which is what I love to see. And you remember how I said it was a little sticky? I did not feel the stickiness as much when I woke up. Like it felt like my hair had really absorbed it. So it might be that little thing that I had mentioned earlier that I said I didn't like, with it being kind of sticky as I was running it through my hair. It might have just been my hair because it needed a chance to, kind of absorb in my hair. But I will say, by the time I woke up in the morning, it didn't feel like that. Like my hands after taking out the braids are not sticky at all. Like I don't feel a weird residue on my hair or my hands, which is what I was a little worried about. But I have to say that my hair felt really good. Like it felt conditioned, but on a scale from 1 to 10, I probably give it like a 6. I have ran into better hair products that curled my hair and also really kind of gave it a nice conditioning feel. It made it feel soft and rejuvenated. This product, I feel like, really stayed its course with the defining the curls. Hence that kind of mousse feel that it did have. Like I said, I really would say this is definitely a defining curl cream. And when it comes to hydration, but when it comes to the defining of curls, or the definition of curls, I would have to give it to it. So just kind of keep that in mind if you do try this product. You might want to add your favorite moisturizer to it. Maybe whatever you have in your spray bottle. If you have a great spray bottle concoction that leaves your hair feeling fresh and hydrated, use it, okay, when it comes to this product, because this product is really just going to work on getting those curls under wraps, okay? So as I was taking out my hair, I said like I was able to feel my hands were gliding through my curls. It wasn't difficult to separate my curls, but what I will say is this product really held down my hair. Like normally my hair comes out a little more, I have a little more volume, but this time not so much. Like they're kind of, I would call it tamed per se. Like I actually had to get a pick and pick out my hair. Normally I don't ever have to pick out the roots of my hair really. I just undo it and then I just kind of let the day fluff my hair out as I go. But for this product, I felt like I did kind of have to go in there and give myself a little volume, and then I'll just let the rest of the day kind of take it away, because as you know, if you have natural hair, as you go through the day, your hair will get bigger and bigger and bigger. So for me, I just let the day deal with that and I don't pick it out that much. But this hairstyle really, or this product really kind of tamed your curls. So if you're somebody who likes their curls to not have super volume and more definition, this would be the product. But all in all, if I would have to rate this, I would give it a solid 8. And that's because it definitely did define my curls very well. So I have to give it to Gabrielle Union nice, or whoever on her team, whoever made this was very nice for curls. When it comes to the hydration and moisturizing, I think it could use a little work, but as us naturals, we always know that we got to pull from different sources to get what our hair needs. But these are the results for my braid out, and I really do like it. I hope that they stay a while. Now I will say what will bump this product up for me is if these curls last a week. So there's another hair product that I did and the curls literally lasted for almost 2 weeks. Like it almost got to the 2-week mark and I was like, oh my gosh. I will leave that product in the description box so you guys can see what product that is. Make sure you go check it out. It was great. So if it can do that, I might bump it up to a 9. But until then, these are the results. I give it a strong solid 8. And let me know if you guys tried this product, or if you've already tried it, or if you've seen reviews on it and heard of the same things or something new. I want to know you all's opinions, and if you have tried anything else in her hair care line, let me know that as well. If you guys have other products that you want to see me try on my natural hair, please drop them in the comments below, because we are all about trying new products and trying new things and exploring our natural hair, because that's what makes it great. So until the next time, lovelies, I will see you. Bye.